In this short video, I am demonstrating my Phantom and I am trying to replicate a proximal femur surgery. So if this was a hip or a proximal femur for IM nail start. So here you can see I'm using the Smartscan feature, and on my Phantom I have demonstration of perfect circles to show that I have good alignment. And then I'm coming up over 15 degrees rotation for my PA AP, and then back and forth between these. So you can see that having my machine marked, I'm able to set the machine up in a very efficient manner where I don't have to make any movements to my base. I don't have to push my in and out. And I can go back and forth between these two views in about 6 or 8 seconds. So this is very efficient for the surgeon and hopefully reduces case times.